In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media links to your Roblox profile. So whether you want to add your Twitter, YouTube, or Facebook link, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, head over to the Roblox website. Click on the Settings gear in the top right corner, and then select Settings. After that, scroll down the page until you see the section for social networks. This is where you can enter all of your different social media links. For example, if you want to add your YouTube channel, simply open your YouTube channel page, copy the URL at the top, and then go back to Roblox. Paste that link into the YouTube field and click Save. Once that's done, go back to your profile and tap on the link you just added. It should take you straight to your social media page. If for some reason the link isn't working, you might need to add Roblox at the end of the URL. After adding that, click Save again, and your link should work properly.